Who can pack up a f***ing trailer, huh? Look at that. Look at that room. Look at the lineup. Look at, boom, right inside the garage door. This other side, boom, lined up to the garage door. First shot, past the trees, past the Camaro. Looky, looky. Welcome to the show, baby. If you didn't figure it out, got the 240 back. Showtime. Here's the deal, I went to KIWI and I got my car back because I pretty much cooked my budget for the season. I can't pay Jay to keep working on it, so then it's in his way, it's in the yard taking up space, it's in the lift sometimes when I go over, he lets me put it on the lift and we work on it and stuff, but basically, I'm f***ing up the business. I went down, I picked up the car, and now I'm missing a few parts, but I gotta do a little bit of work on this thing. Since I got no budget and I got a lot of time because I'm not plowing snow, mosquitoes are out, but it's summertime and it's good. So I'm gonna do it myself. First thing I gotta do now that the car's up on jack stands, ready to be worked on, hey, might as well give you guys a little rundown, right? Show you what's up. Here's the deal. Let's start from front to back. It's got headlights, pop-ups that don't pop. Start with the footwork. Got some custom KIWI control arms. Basically, it's an angle kit that's kind of homemade. I'm missing a few parts to make it like adjustable and stuff and make it work right. We got the pillow ball adjusters. Everything needs to be adjusted, aligned, and all that stuff so that it works properly. The front end's all there. I'm just missing my brake calipers. I've got to go pick those up because when I picked up the car, Jay wasn't around and I wasn't sure which calipers were mine and where they were, so I didn't want to take anything and not be like, shit, sorry dude. So I need the calipers for the front of that. It's got coilovers in it, some no-name bullshit brand. I don't know what they are, but whatever, that's what he gave me. And in the back, still got the 4-bolt. He's got a set of 5-lug conversion there for me, so I got to pick up that. Then figure out something with the brakes in the back. I'm gonna hook up the handbrake, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy that double caliper kit. Probably should. Or if I'm just gonna do some weird setup where it's like handbrake is just the back brakes and then the pedal's just the front brakes. I don't know. We'll see. So in the front, we got a nice rad, motors mounted. We got to figure out something for the exhaust because the original plan was to put a big fat turbo in this car, and now that budget calls for no. So I gotta figure out a way to run this exhaust because now it's, well, like I said, we were building it for turbo. So now to run it to the back, it's gonna be tough because that's a big ass engine in there. Aeromotive fuel rails, all that stuff. You guys have already seen all this crap that's in there. So basically, just gotta hook it up, get it together, make it run. Transmission wise, there's currently a T5 in it. I don't know how long that's gonna last. I was talking to some friends and they say that's probably not gonna last very long. So I'm gonna do a bit of research. I might just buy an NV because I found 2 of them actually. So check out, if you can see in here, I don't know, the light sucks, but I'm starting a transmission tunnel. There's a handbrake there, dashes in the back and everything else. Before anything goes any further, first thing I've gotta do, I'm gonna pull out the transmission because I gotta figure out, there's a code on the back of the engine and I gotta figure that out so I know which flywheel to get because apparently one is weighted or balanced or something like that. So let's rip out a trans, go from there. Whoops. Okay, that's out, that's done, that's good. Now I'm gonna just jump in the car, I'm gonna head out to KIWI, get the parts that I'm missing for the car. I need to get, like I said earlier, wire harness for the computer. I'm missing the 5-lug conversion in the rear. He's actually got a set of my wheels there too I should try to pick up. Brakes for the front. So I'm gonna go see if I can get that stuff. And after that, we're gonna head up to my buddy's shop in Bahornoy, something like that. It's actually one of the dudes that you saw in the video from Naperville. we're gonna go check out his shop and stuff. Let's go for a little ride, bear with me. Who parks a like that? Is that? All we could find was my wire harness. Still owes me brakes, some 5-lug conversions for the rear, and a set of wheels, actually. On to the next stop. Alright dudes, check it out. We're at Nick's Drift Shop. You guys remember him from the weekend, last show, Car Fever deal? Check it out. Roll the footage. And now that we're back, here it is. Check it out. This is Nick's Drift. Came out here after seeing him at Naperville, hanging out with him, talking to him, brought him some 8.6 parts. Check it out. This look familiar to you guys? He's got a project on the go, so do what I can to help him out. Check out all the stuff in the yard. Check out projects for days.
I take the smash one here and make the purple one there run. We had 2 containers here when we got here. They were full of shit. All the shit is there.
Before the end of summer.
Yeah. Well,
right on.
It's about 2 weeks, or maybe 2 weekends. A couple of guys making that shit run. Only thing really missing is the steering column. That's the only thing we're really missing is that. Besides that, we got everything else. Subframe's already on it, already modified. The doors are on it. Missing a windshield. We got this one. Subframe, we got this from an R32. I got spindles. I got shocks, tables. I got knuckles. I'm missing the hubs. I'm gonna try to go with Nissan or something. As a dash, I'm gonna go just like straight sheet since the thing is gonna be caged. The thing is gonna get caged before everything, and after that, subframes, wheels, things.
You can do your own cage, is that?
Yeah. That's what we do here. So we use our cars to practice. And the more we do, the best my welds are. The best
for sure.
Things are.
Alright, so this car, 2 weeks, 2 weekends, fully built drift car. So you got that, guys. We're gonna have to check that out.
Maybe 3.
Maybe 3. Maybe 3.
Yeah.
So this is inside the shop, guys. Check it out. He's working on a 240 today, and he just brought his drift car in. Get that ready for some drift action. It's going down this weekend. He's out there with the car pretty much every weekend. Can't miss him. You want to see him? Go to Naperville. Go to the local tracks. Everybody recognizes this car. This is Nick's Drift Shop. This is Nick. Both dudes working here named Nick. So you can't go wrong if you come here looking for Nick. Got everything going on here. He does everything you kind of need. Metal fab, engine work, tire changes, you name it. He can hook you up. What you got, bro? No drain tank?
No, there's no drain plug. Drain it by the pump.
Time to go fuel cell.
Yeah. It would actually.
So here's a rare look underneath the Genesis drift car. Check it out.
It's the toughest thing ever.
He hasn't flipped it over on the track, so this is the only time you see underneath it. Yeah.
It's crazy how that thing is taut. There's nothing on it. And now I can really see there's no coilovers, no nothing.
Yeah, what do you do for steering? Is there anything modified on your steering or is it stock?
It's bone stock.
It's all stock, yeah?
It's crooked by the impacts. That's all it is, yeah.
Like it's all stock?
Yeah, it's all stock. Everything's stock.
Wow. Everybody's going all big angle and stuff.
I haven't changed shit.
Are you listening?
You can do something about that exhaust though nowadays here. Is that sounding enough?
Gonna make a, was it bozuku pipes or something?
Yeah. Oh shit! Oh yeah.
Let's get something.
Yeah. I guess a wall tap happy. I didn't even thought.
A little wall happy. At least are they equal?
Yeah, it's bent. Yeah, they're both bent. They weren't like last week. This one is scrap. Yeah, this one is junk. I gotta change that. Oh. Oh, I know when it happened. When I almost flipped the thing. Yeah, I cut the tires and then like the cement block and then I almost flipped it. That's when it happened.
Oh shit.
No, it's too bad, is it?
In a life of a drifter. You just placing the order?
Yeah, I'm just gonna
Sharks?
If they have,
Sweet.
c'est Marc-André, c'est Ellis, ça va?
So guys, in my opinion, this dude's got it figured out because what he's doing here is he took a stock Genesis, modified it a little bit, put bash bars on it, stuff like that, and he drifts it. He takes it to the track and he absolutely drifts the shit out of it. Now it's low horsepower and stuff, but you don't need power to drift. He tells me he's running probably about 220 horsepower, which is definitely doing the job. So basically, in the end, it's got a reliable car because it's stock, so it's not going to break down all the time. He gets out there, he gets all kinds of seat time. He's practicing every weekend, and then right back here, he's got his tire, all this stuff, changes his tires and stuff. Right now, he just got on the phone. He's ordering parts for the car that need to be changed for next week. The thing's still running, but it's like it's fast around here. It's awesome. Stock suspension, stock everything.
Stock everything. Even the cat is still there.
Yeah. So like you put intercooler, oil cooler, rad, just basically the safety stuff, right?
Yeah, because when I crashed it, the everything broke. The rad broke, the oil cooler broke, the intercooler broke, the piping broke, all the fan started.
Fan works.
So I just changed everything, but I still have the same hoses and stuff. I just changed the equipment itself. And we put pop-ups.
Crazy bash bars. What inspired you for the pop-ups?
He did. Yeah, he just saw the car and said, you know what is missing? Pop-ups. Just went to get them.
Everybody loves pop-ups. Pop, pop, pop.
I wasn't sure at first, but...
And do they work?
Yeah, well, the lights work.
Okay,
The
they don't
motor
go.
are going to work eventually.
Yeah.
Like maybe today if I get lights. Depends on what I'm doing on the thing. Came with. I took the AC off. Like the compressor is actually still there. Yeah. Awesome. So I'm just gonna go get the key off the thing.
End of the day, all in all, it was a good day. Got my wiring harness, got to hang out with all the boys at KIWI. Whoops. And then I went over and brought all that AE86 stuff. Ooh, the white balance is off. I brought all that AE86 stuff to Nick at Nick's Drift Shop. Hopefully he can make some good use of that. And then hung out there because I'm gonna be helping him film some stuff. He's got a YouTube channel and I'm just gonna give him a hand because I'm okay at this stuff, I guess. I enjoy doing it, so I'm gonna put a little link thingy, check out his channel. Maybe not yet because there's nothing there yet, but anyways, we're hanging out there all day, having a good old time. Now I'm back home tomorrow morning. Hopefully, possibly, just maybe, I'm gonna put a little bit more work into this. And also too, I gotta get in touch with Brent because we've got a 350 that needs addressing. Something to do, rebuild, make some power. Yeah. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Stay tuned. Hopefully the ball's gonna start moving soon. At least I got the project back.